Hey, wealth builders! Welcome back to WealthWise, the go-to channel for unlocking the secrets to financial success. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into something special, 10 side hustles that can kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Trust me, these aren't just ideas. They are proven strategies that actually work. Make sure to stick around till the end because number 1 is a total game changer. Before we dive into the wealth building universe, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the golden nuggets we're about to share. Now, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Number 10. Freelance Writing. Let's kick off our list with the evergreen hustle, freelance writing. Now, you might be thinking, how can my words turn into a substantial income? Well, my friend, the online world is hungry for quality content, and your unique voice is in demand. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are the playgrounds where clients are eagerly searching for the next writing virtuoso. But here's the thing: to truly stand out in this competitive arena, you need more than just good grammar and punctuation. You need to carve out your niche, your specialty that sets you apart from the rest. Whether it's tech reviews, lifestyle blogs, or even pet product descriptions, find what you're passionate about and let that passion flow through your words. Your portfolio should be a dazzling showcase of your versatility and expertise. Remember, the more specialized you are, the more clients will be knocking on your digital door. Number 9. Virtual assistants. Next up, let's talk about a side hustle that's all about organization and multitasking: virtual assistants. In a world where everyone is looking to maximize their productivity, your skills can shine brighter than ever. Platforms like Time, etc., and Belay connect you with businesses and entrepreneurs desperately seeking a reliable virtual hand. But what makes a virtual assistant truly indispensable? It's not just about managing calendars, answering emails, or handling phone calls. It's about creating an experience. It's about being the organizational wizard that turns chaos into order. Think of yourself as the backstage manager of a grand performance. Your role might not be in the spotlight, but without you, the show wouldn't go on. So, when diving into the world of virtual assistants, make sure your profile screams efficiency, reliability, and, most importantly, an understanding of the client's unique needs. Number 8. Online tutoring. Moving on to number 8, a side hustle that combines education and income: online tutoring. If you've mastered a subject, why not share that mastery with others and earn some extra bucks? Shag Tutors, VipKid, and a myriad of other platforms are connecting eager students with knowledgeable tutors like yourself. But, and it's a big but, don't just sign up and expect the dollars to start flowing. To really excel in online tutoring, you need to strategically choose your subjects. Sure, math and science are always in demand, but what if you delve into a niche subject, something that not many are offering? The key here is to find your sweet spot, a subject you're passionate about and where your expertise can truly shine. Set your own schedule, teach from anywhere, and watch your earnings grow. It's not just about tutoring. It's about becoming a guide on someone else's learning journey. As we delve deeper into online tutoring, let's address a common concern: how to keep students engaged. Beyond just delivering information, create interactive lessons, incorporate multimedia elements, and encourage student participation. Platforms like Zoom and interactive whiteboards can elevate the online learning experience. Additionally, personalized feedback goes a long way in building a strong tutor-student relationship. Tailor your approach to each student's learning style and pace, ensuring they not only understand the material but enjoy the learning process. Remember, your success as an online tutor is intertwined with the success of your students, so invest in their growth as much as your own. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Number 7 on our list is a side hustle that's been creating digital entrepreneurs left and right: affiliate marketing. Now, you might have heard the term thrown around, but what does it really mean? It's essentially turning your genuine love for products into a revenue stream. Imagine recommending a product you love, and every time someone makes a purchase through your recommendation, you earn a commission. Sounds pretty sweet. Right, but here's the catch. Authenticity is non-negotiable in the world of affiliate marketing. Your audience trusts you, and if you start pushing products just for the sake of making a buck, that trust goes down the drain. So, when diving into affiliate marketing, choose products that align with your brand and values. Your recommendations should feel like advice from a friend, not a sales pitch. Build trust, and the commissions will follow. As we advance in our side hustle journey, let's talk about advanced strategies in affiliate marketing. Beyond promoting products, consider creating in-depth reviews, tutorials, or even comparison content. This not only provides more value to your audience, but also establishes you as an authority in your niche. Dive into the analytics of your affiliate marketing efforts. Understand which products resonate the most with your audience, the best performing content types, and the most effective promotion channels. Armed with this data, you can fine-tune your strategy, optimizing for higher conversions and, subsequently, higher earnings. Affiliate marketing is not just a side gig. It's a dynamic and evolving business model that rewards creativity and strategic thinking. Number 6. Stock photography. Number 6. A side hustle that combines your love for photography with the potential for passive income. Stock photography. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are constantly on the lookout for captivating visuals, and that's where you come in. But, and it's a big but, uploading random photos won't cut it. To really make an impact in the stock photography world, you need a strategy. Start by identifying trending topics or themes and capturing images that align with those trends. The goal here is to create a portfolio that not only showcases your technical skills, but also taps into what people are currently searching for. So, grab your camera, explore your surroundings, and turn those moments into a steady stream of income. Number 5. Dropshipping. Now, let's venture into the exciting world of e-commerce with number 5. Dropshipping. If the idea of selling products without dealing with inventory or shipping logistics sounds appealing, you're in the right place. The concept is simple. Choose a niche, set up an online store, and partner with suppliers who handle the heavy lifting. But, and yes, it's another but, success in dropshipping requires more than just setting up a store. You need to be strategic about your product selection. Research trending products and choose items that have a potential market. And here's a little secret. Marketing is your best friend in the dropshipping game. From Facebook ads to influencer collaborations, your ability to market your products will determine your success. So, roll up your sleeves, research those trending products, and let the e-commerce journey begin. Number 4. Content creation on social media. Social media, not just a place for scrolling, but also a treasure trove for content creators. Whether you're into TikTok dances, Instagram aesthetics, or YouTube tutorials, there's an audience waiting for your unique content. But here's the real magic: consistency. Building a following takes time, and the more regularly you post, the more likely you are to capture the attention of your target audience. But remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Find your niche, the content that resonates with you and your audience. And here's the kicker: monetization opportunities. As your following grows, brands will start knocking on your digital door for partnerships. Ad revenue becomes a reality, and suddenly your passion transforms into a paycheck. So, grab your camera, hit record, and let your creativity soar. As we explore content creation on social media, let's delve into the world of collaboration. Partnering with other creators in your niche can significantly expand your reach and introduce your content to new audiences. Whether it's a joint video, a collaborative challenge, or a shared Instagram love session, collaborations bring a fresh perspective to your content. Additionally, pay attention to analytics. Understand your audience demographics, peak engagement times, and the types of content that resonate the most. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your content strategy to maximize engagement and build a loyal following. So, embrace collaboration, analyze your data, and let your creativity shine on social media. Number 3. Print on demand. Number 3 on our list is a side hustle that's all about turning your creativity into wearable art. Print on demand. Imagine designing custom merchandise without the hassle of handling inventory or shipping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, platforms like Printful and Teespring are here to turn that dream into reality. But here's the creative twist: staying updated on design trends. Your audience is more likely to buy if your products are not just visually appealing, but also in line with what's currently trending. Quality over quantity is the name of the game here. Instead of flooding your store with dozens of designs, focus on creating a select few that truly stand out. Your creative flair, combined with strategic design choices, can turn this side hustle into a canvas for your financial success. As we delve deeper into print on demand, let's talk about the unsung hero, design. A common misconception is that anyone can create designs, but in reality, investing time in learning basic design principles can set you apart. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Spark offer user-friendly tools to enhance your design skills. Another strategy is to conduct market research. Understand the design preferences of your target audience, analyze competitor products, and identify design trends within your niche. Your creative prowess combined with a strategic design approach can transform your print-on-demand store into a visual masterpiece that customers can't resist. Number 2. Consulting. Let's shift gears a bit with number 2, consulting. If you're a seasoned professional in a particular field, your expertise can become a valuable commodity. Whether it's business strategy, financial planning, or personal development, people are willing to pay for the insights that can propel them forward. But, and you guessed it, there's a but. Building a consulting business requires more than just knowledge. It requires an online presence that exudes credibility and trust. Create a website that serves as your digital business card, showcasing your credentials, testimonials, and success stories. And here's a little secret: offering a free initial consultation can be the gateway to acquiring new clients. So, put on your consultant hat, build your digital office, and let the consulting sessions begin. Number 1. Create an online course. Drum roll, please. We've reached the pinnacle of our list. Number 1. Creating online courses. If you're an expert in a particular subject, why not share that expertise with the world and earn while you teach? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable have made it easier than ever to create, market, and sell your courses. But, you guessed it, there's a crucial element to master: engagement. The success of your online course isn't just about the content. It's about how you engage with your students. Think of it as a virtual classroom where your guidance can shape someone's future. Providing a sneak peek or introductory content can be the hook that draws students in. So, prepare your lessons, set up your virtual classroom, and let the online learning revolution begin. And there you have it, Wealth Builders, a deep dive into 10 side hustles that can kickstart your financial journey. Whether you're looking for that extra cash flow or dreaming of a sustainable income stream, these options cater to every passion and skill set. Tell me in the comments which side hustle caught your eye. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we have more wealth building content coming your way. Until next time, stay wealth-wise.